Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the image and settings open. First, make sure your wallpaper file is accessible and roughly 1920 x 1080 for best fit. Lower or higher works too. Next, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize, or press Windows plus I and navigate to Personalization. Once Settings opens, select Background on the left. You're now positioned to change the background image directly. This is faster than hunting through folders. Now you pick and refine the image. Click Browse under Background and navigate to your picture. Select Open to load it. Once loaded, choose the Fit option so the image displays correctly, Fill for full coverage, Fit for no cropping, or Span for dual monitors. If you want a slideshow, pick Slideshow, select a folder of images, and set the interval. Make sure to preview how it looks on all monitors before finishing. Finish by applying and confirming the change. Once you've chosen your image and fit, close Settings or click Apply. The desktop updates immediately. If the wallpaper doesn't change, make sure the file is not on a disconnected drive and that you have read permission. Then try selecting a different image. If problems persist, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or reboot the PC. That clears cached display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.